This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
This is the Range Rover version of what happens when a wool sweater is washed in hot water. It's still a wool sweater that's shrunken, and the same principle applies to the Evoque from Range Rover. At 171 inches in total length, the Evoque is 17 inches shorter than its big brother, the HSE, or even the Land Rover. But even though it has a smaller footprint, engineers did not hold back on technical capabilities. The proven terrain management system that is expected on the bigger models is included, along with a hill descent control package for extreme off-road situations. Aside to this many bells and whistles are a lot more parts and systems that will eventually need maintenance. An option we like was a series of cameras that feed into the center stack display screen, providing a 360-degree view. As the smallest Range Rover ever, the designers also came up with a new power plant. It's a turbo-assisted 2-liter all-aluminum inline 4-cylinder engine with twin variable valve timing, a technology learned when the brand was owned by BMW. On paper, fuel economy for the Evoque is 20 miles per gallon in the city. In our experience, it was closer to 18. But once we got it on the open road, it did deliver the promised 28 mpg. The drivetrain is a 6-speed automatic built by Aisin, tied to a Haldex 4-wheel drive torque converter. In a week of routine driving, it proved as responsive as most front-wheel drive setups. The test car was a coupe, which provided adequate space for 2 adults up front. The second row could get a little tight, but not so much that our assistant cameraman couldn't get comfy. While the Evoque delivers a different visual approach than many small luxury SUVs, we do have a problem with limited view through the rear window. A little more glass would be a good thing. For some drivers, there may be too much of the Land Rover technology in this smaller package and not enough space for people and cargo. But do we like the Evoque? Yes, because it's a big step in the right direction for the brand, which has come to realize that growth can sometimes be achieved in smaller increments. This is Greg Morris.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.